Hey everyone, I was reading an article last night I thought I'd share with you on structured thinking. The article was about, more so about the interviewing process, how you may be asked a hypothetical question, how you work through that question. Helps people who are you're interviewing with understand, your structured thinking, your critical thinking in different situations. By the way, you've probably seen we've got some job postings out there. We are hiring, so don't be surprised if you're interviewing with us that you will get one of those hypothetical questions. It's also how we attack design build projects. We're looking at it piece by piece by piece, seeing where it may go off the rails, seeing how, where the other challenge areas may be, in order to manage it correctly on behalf of our client. But I was more so thinking about that article in terms of the COVID-19 virus, how that's affecting your company today, and starting to go through those steps and those questions to look at how will it affect your company in the back half of this year. What will it look like in 2021, 2022? I think structured thinking is something everybody needs to look at right now. Work with your teams to do it. You may find and you may coach them and say, hey, look, go into left field, go as far as you want to go. We want to look at all possibilities of what could be happening right now for our company and in our industry. My guess is when you go through those exercises, you'll start finding defined paths that make sense for you and your business. And I think it'll put everybody in a better position as we look forward to the future, a better future, of course.